this case. The feds ain't picking up this case. Feds ain't picking up this case. The Ruger, I got pick up his face. The feds ain't picking up this case. The feds ain't picking up this case. Feds ain't picking up this case. The Ruger, I got pick up his face.
It's Ted the Tech, aka VR Predator. Hey, I'm out here at Williamsport, Maryland. I stopped at this Harley Davidson store right here, man. You know, it's surprising. This is how I want my son to start. I want him to, you know, have a little itty bitty business, you know, and then, you know, make it grow. But I mean, they seem to be established, well established. They have probably been here for a long time. A little mom and pop shop, but I mean, it's cool. It's really neat. I like the way that the setup is and everything like that. And again, like I said, most of these Harley Davidson shops, man, the way that they're set up, man, it's so cool. It is so neat the way that they all come up with their own ideas. Anyways, let's go take a look inside. Wow, I'm inside the Williamsport, Maryland Harley Davidson store. And it is pretty cool. If you look at all the stuff that they have, I mean, judging from the outside, you would think that it's just a little itty bitty place, but I mean, you know, they had all the Harley Davidson good stuff that you could ever want here for the ladies, for the babies, and for the dude skis. And of course, you have your sales department right over here. New bikes. How you doing?
Good, man.
And maybe a couple of used bikes? Yeah. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? It's small, but it is cool, man. This is how I want my son to start. But pretty neat, man. I like it. It's really cool. Of course, you can't have the Harley store without playing Guns N' Roses in the background. And the parts and accessories, awesome stuff. Awesome. Very cool, very cool. Not probably gonna see very many V-Rods though out here. That's the only thing. Alright, let's go take a look around back. Alright, walking through to the service department here. Look at that. Cool stuff. Wow. Again, clean as shops, man. Clean as shops are Harley shops, dude. Nothing on the floors. It's really cool, man. Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. Can you believe that, man? The only person to show up at the store took off on a V-Rod, man. That's cool. It's really neat. But this is really cool too, man. Some of the Harleys they got out back here. And that's the thing about the Harley Davidson people, man. They're always inviting, always welcoming. That right there, that's your breakout. That's super nice. Super nice. Wow. It's just really like a little mom and pop store, you know. Williamsport is not that big. It's right outside of, well, it's not really even right outside of Washington. It's probably about 40-50 miles away from Washington, D.C., where I'm doing some work, a contract. Let's take a look at this truck, man. This is pretty sweet. It's got a 454 in it. You're not gonna see him driving that during the winter. Chevy. Wow. Anyways, nice truck, man. Wow. That thing is very nice. It should be on the front of a magazine. Nice. Wow. It's really pretty. But here's the ride. My little Fiat. Yeah. All my travel gear in it. Alright, well, that's cool, man. Nice job. Nice job. I'm getting ready to hit the road. Alright, if you like my videos and you want to see more, click that like button, subscribe to my station. I'll see you on the flip side. Hey, this is Ted the Tech. I'm out here at Twig near Cumberland, I believe it is. This is the Twig dealership, Yamaha. They have Indian, Kawasaki, Honda, and also Polaris. And they have this thing called the Hendra. It is a side-by-side diesel powered, turbo diesel powered. The Mahindra Ruxor. Just for off-road usage. I thought for sure by the look of it that it was a Jeep. And the guy came down and I talked to him for a minute. Talked to him about it and he filled me in a little bit. Told me it's not quite a Jeep, but it's its own company, which is Mahindra out of India. I'll have all the information in my vlog, of course, but I just thought this was really cool. It's a turbo side-by-side. I've never heard of that, with an 8,000-pound winch on the front here. That is insane. Comes with lights. Well, you can get a less modeled one. Comes with lights and everything, but it's strictly for off-road usage. It is really, really neat. I really like it a whole lot. Cool stuff, man. Here at Twigs. Hey, let's go inside and check out the Indians, though. For real. All right, this is Ted the Tech. I was out here just BSing about the Abarth out here. Sorry about that. Took me so long to come out here. This is number 2. And now I'm going into Indian motorcycles, because I love Indian motorcycles, especially, you know, the Scout. But let's take a look around. Look at these here. Ooh, love those Indians. Look at that. It's a classic Chieftain. And there's a regular Indian vintage. And voila. There's my Dreamsicle, the Roadmaster. Equivalent to the Ultra Classic with Harley. Yes. I really love the Ultra Classic, but these are really growing on me, man. That double stitch is really neat. I think they have a lot more to offer than Harley, but you know, it's all in a matter of opinion.
Hi there.
Hi. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. And here's the showroom. And there's my Scout 60. Scout 60. Right there, buddy. Oh yeah. A bobber. See, and I think that that's neater than my V-Rod, because I'm not really sure my V-Rod has ABS, but you know, I'll look it up and see. But that bike is, you know, bike is amazing. The showroom, of course, which is a little bit more modern than Harley Davidson's. And there's that matte look. Love it. But like I said, Indian really knows how to compete with Harley. They've been doing it since the interception. A lot of people, again, think that Harley was first, but it was Indian. But the reason I like Indian just a little bit better is because of the cost. You know, they really, I don't know what they're doing, but they keep costs down. Even something this size with all the detailing that this has on it is 22. You know, something like this Harley Davidson, you're talking about 3 or 4 more thousand onto it. But, you know, it's all, like I said, a matter of opinion. You know, you have to get used to the cylinder heads being rounded rather than flat. Have to get used to a lot of things. And then here's all the merchandise that they have here. Cool stuff. I'm gonna get me a jacket when I get my hands on a Scout. Alright. Cool stuff. More Roadmasters. Fun stuff. Not a very big showroom, but I mean, like I said, a lot of showrooms that are nice and together don't really have a whole lot of area. It's just a matter of what you get from them, which this one has, again, great service, set up nice, clean, everything like that. Service center back there for Twig cycles, very squared away. A lot of accessories in-house. Totally fine. All right. Cool stuff, man. Cool stuff.